Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to target demographics in Google Ads. So for this you have to go to the start button, then simply type in the Chrome, and once you're in the Chrome you have to just simply type in the Google Ads in the search bar. And once you type in the Google Ads you have to just simply go to the first option from here, and from here you can just simply choose the sign in or the start now from here. And after that it will simply take you to this dashboard, and from here you have to choose the campaigns option from the left hand side, and from here you have to just navigate to the audience, keywords and content. From here just simply click on the audiences, and after clicking on the audiences it will simply show this here, the audience segments, demographics, age, gender, household income, exclusion or whatever you want. And then what you need to do is, if you click on the age icon from here, you can see the age icon, and from here you can just simply choose the age icon, gender and household income. Then just simply click on the edit demographics from here. And once you click on the edit demographics, here you can see there are lots of options. So let's go for the sleepy one from here. And it will simply take you that they are showing two ad groups. So for example, I'd like to go for the ad group 2. And here you can see there are edit demographics options. So here you can choose the age, gender and household income as well, and after that just simply click on the save demographics. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.